Ayan guys, luto na yung escabeche guys. Ayan, ready to eat na everyone. Thank you for watching everyone. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Bye bye.